Yes, that's the special train. Yes, that is the special train.
Huh?
Yes, it is the special train.
Ah!
There's only like 4 of those a day. Come on, let's go down to the end.
It's come back.
No, that's a different one.
Ah.
No, it's a different one. Wave then. It's a different one.
Ah.
It's a different one. Yeah, see? Yeah. It's going now. What? Yeah. There it goes. Say bye-bye, train. Even with that 6 carriages, it's still crammed. There's your first class. Right, there'll be one on there in a minute.
How many couches?
I don't know, we'll have a look. Well, it's not going to be one of them, because we've just missed one of them on the other side by 5 minutes.
Wait, what is the special?
So it'd be a 158 or 175.
What is the special one?
Yeah, we've just missed the special one on platform 2. This is platform 1, this one's just left.
Huh? Yeah, but wait, but
Look how old this station is. Look at all the brickwork, and it's got to be at least 50-60 years old. It's a shame they don't have it as a waiting room anymore, but I suppose cutting costs and all that. Shame, really. And them getting rid of the old railway lines. It's a shame they've got rid of all them as well. Here it is. Oh, we've got 4 carriages. You gonna start waving, yeah?
yeah.
Or wave when he goes, and then he might do his horn. Probably not, because he'll go past us now, won't he? There we go. Just squeezes in. Say hello then. What's...
Not again.
What?
Like yesterday one.
What?
We were here yesterday.
Yeah, they're going again now. Wave bye then. Say bye then. Say bye then, he's going now. What? Ask him then. Yeah. There we go. Say thank you then. Yeah. There we go. was loud, wasn't it? So you did it for you. That's off to, what's this side? Birmingham. This is this would be next. Chirk, Cabowen, Shrewsbury. Yeah, Chirk, Cabowen, Shrewsbury, and then Telford, Wolverhampton, Birmingham, and other little bits in between. Right, let's go.